لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read the Quran the easy way. Lesson number 8C on practice with sukoon. Let's continue practicing more sukoon letters using the most frequently occurring words in the Quran. Remember, sukoon letter needs help. You join it with the letter before it. J, J, J. Muh, muh, muh. Ah, ah, ah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Muh, muh, muh. Rah, rah, rah. Yah, yah, yah. Dah, dah, dah. Yug, yug, yug. Bell, bell, bell. Yell, yell, yell. Yels, yels, yels. Riz, riz, riz. Yesh, yesh, yesh. Myth, myth, myth. Now let's move on to words. Le'in, le'in, le'in. Lehum, lehum, lehum. Lekum, lekum, lekum. Minhu, minhu, minhu. Minhum, minhum, minhum. Minha, minha, minha. Dunya, dunya, dunya. Tilka, tilka, tilka. جعلنا جعلنا جعلنا. بعدي بعدي بعدي. يهدي يهدي يهدي. يعلم يعلم يعلم. أعلم أعلم أعلم. بعض بعض بعض. أصحاب أصحاب أصحاب. أنهار أنهار أنهار. Note that the sukoon letter needs help, right? So if there's alif med between the letter before the sukoon and the letter that has the sukoon, then skip it. So like for example, here there's fa with fatha, and then there's alif med, and then there's the sin with sukoon. Then just say fes. Don't say fas. So repeat after me twice. Fes, fes, fes. Well, well, well. Wes, wes, wes. Well, well, well. Bill, bill, bill. Fell, fell, fell. Fa, fa, fa. MashaAllah, well done. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.